Today we are going to be creating an outline for an argument essay. We wrote our argument essays about a food issue, but this outline method should work pretty well for any kind of argument essay that you are writing. So the first thing that I did was write my research question at the top of my outline. I want you to go ahead and write your research question on the top of your outline and pause the video until that has happened. So after you have your research question written at the top of your outline, we need to include our claim. So your claim for an argument essay is always going to answer your research question. So my research question is, would eating eggs other than chicken eggs stop animal cruelty? And my answer to that, or my claim, is no. Eating eggs that aren't chicken eggs won't stop animal cruelty, but it might be better for the environment. After you have written your claim and put it over your research question, you are ready to begin. You should pause the video until that has happened. So after you have your claim, you know that we need to start outlining our paragraphs. So for your argument essay, your paragraphs are going to be reasons, just like there were reasons for your theme essay or your character essay. So I have written my reasons underneath these post-its. My first reason is that eating reptile eggs means reptiles would be farmed just like chickens. And my second reason was that reptiles are even harder to care for than chickens. I'm not going to show you my third reason because I'm going to save the good stuff for later. What you should do after you've come up with your reasons is start thinking about how you can plug in your evidence. So I went into my notebook and I started to find some evidence that supported my reasons. The first piece of evidence I found is that reptiles can live in cages inside or outside. And I got this from an article that was called How to Raise Crocs. You should remember that for all of your evidence, you need to include the article title and the page number if applicable. So you should be finding two pieces of evidence for each reason. That's a little bit different than our theme essays where we only needed one piece of evidence for each reason. So spend some time going into your notebook and finding your evidence. When you're done, your outline should look something like this. You have your claim, you have your three reasons, and you have two pieces of evidence for each reason. After this has happened, raise your hand and your teacher will come check in with you.